Everybody, in this video I'm going to show you Network3 TGE Airdrop campaign. Okay, it's going to be massive, and in order to join here you need to just have your no, you don't have to have you need to have extension because of you need to do Galxe task, and another task is this. So I'm going to show you visually in later in this video. Just see how to participate and then apply everything that you saw from this video. Okay, first paste that first link, then put your email, password and password, then everything to fill up, then click the registration button. It will be registered for you. It is registering. Okay, after registering it will be immediately give you the email option. After verify with email, then click the login button simply by clicking on there. Okay, it's loading. Okay, my account has been created, done. Okay, just they will be say to you which email you put on, go to that email, then simply click the that email they send to you. Simply click on that email and your account will be verified for that moment. Okay, then they will give you the dashboard button. Simply click on the dashboard button and then they will be bring you in here. Okay, then you don't need to do anything in here. If you want to just share your stuff, just copy it and paste to your friend or anywhere. Then the second task is if I go to the Telegram, second task is this task is required slightly fee in Galxe, therefore I skip it because of I didn't have any fee in my wallet, therefore I will not do it. Okay, so what I do instead of that, I will do the second one. Because of I skip it, I will do second one early bird NFT access, but I cannot do it. Okay, so I will do it. So first you need to copy it and then you need to paste it into here. Okay, so if I show you, I done all of the work now because video was paused. If you see the time, video was paused. Okay, so if I click the button of it, you will see every task will be done because of I have been done it. I have been done it. Okay, so therefore task has been done. So just simply complete this task in order to getting the button of. Okay, just go through it. I'm just going through it because this task was missed out from me, so I'm just coming to here again. That's great. That's great. You can connect your MetaMask in order to accomplish it. Connect your wallet. You can choose Ethereum, continue, and then okay, so that's it. That's it. So you can as well connect Solana Phantom 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 in here. So I'm just going through it. Okay, you don't need to connect, but I'm doing it because it's required to do, therefore nothing else, because they give us the connection option. And then simply click on here, then you will get the button of this. It is not showing up yet. Okay, all levers reward, approve it, and if you get it, probably they will be make you eligible for the airdrop. Okay, so simply approve as much fast as possible. Okay, claim done. You will notice claimed, and that's it. So if you don't yet join in our Telegram channel, do join. And if you are content slightly know how to record video, how to do airdrop, I'm seeking you, I'm finding you. So I will make you manager of my channel. Just contact with me. I am interested in making video. I'm interested in working with you. I will be make you admin. So if you are among them, please do contact with me for becoming manager of my channel.